Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Excel workbook that already lives in the Sharepoint document library or synced OneDrive folder. This makes the process seamless. Once opened, make sure Auto-Save is on and you have edit rights in the Sharepoint library so links resolve correctly. Next, select the specific cell, text, or object you want to turn into a Sharepoint link. This choice determines whether you create a direct file link or a link to a folder or document view. Once the target cell or object is chosen, insert the hyperlink. Go to Insert then Link or right-click and pick Link to open the dialog. In a separate browser or the Sharepoint interface, locate the file or folder and choose Copy Link. Pick the permission level that matches how you want recipients to access it. After copying, return to Excel, paste the Sharepoint URL into the address field, and edit the display text so the link reads clearly for viewers. Finish by clicking the newly created link in Excel to verify it opens the correct Sharepoint item. This confirms the URL and display text are correct. If the link fails, check Sharepoint sharing settings, grant edit or view access, or switch to a broader link type like people with existing access. Once fixed, save the workbook and tell collaborators they may need to sign in with their Microsoft account for access. This avoids confusion and repeated permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.